What you see here are the GDR14.4 and the GDR18Li Professional from Bosch, the shortest and lightest cordless impact drivers in their class. They're only 138mm long, so they sit superbly in your hand. At 1.3 kilos, both of these lightweight tools are perfect for comfortable work, especially overhead. Their integrated LED ring light perfectly illuminates dark work areas. Experience for yourself the GDR14.4 and the GDR18Li Professional from Bosch, the shortest and lightest cordless impact drivers in their class. Also available in the practical, unique L box.